to my YouTube channel, Pick and Raych. It's a channel where we cook the simplest meals with the simplest ingredients that you can find just outside your door. If you're new here, karibu sana. We cook and have fun at the same time. That's what we are and that's what we do. If you're watching this, you have not subscribed, tafadhali. I'm giving you 10 seconds for you to subscribe. That red button, up we go. Can you see it? The red button, then there's a bell after it. Okay, first, when you subscribe, that's when you see the bell, okay? I'm giving you 10 seconds to subscribe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then hit that bell afterwards and you'll always be the first person to be notified every time we put up a new video. If you've subscribed, thank you so much. And I know some of you guys have subscribed and have not hit the bell. I will confirm if you may hit bell. If I'll hit bell, hit the bell, okay? So I know you've missed me and you've missed my recipes, and that's why I'm here, guys, to tell you that I want to give you an amazing recipe, okay? I don't have any reason whatsoever why I should not give you recipes, okay? So today we are going to cook something amazing, something that I've tried out and I thought, oh my god, we have to do this for you guys. And today we are making chicken in coconut. Huko Swahili wanasema kuku wa nazi, okay? The same way we have samaki wa nazi, we have kuku wa nazi, and that is what we're going to make today, guys. I want you to follow this recipe closely, because if you follow each step, Maya, let me tell you, and I
want us to go back.
Yeah. You have no idea. So you can eat your chicken with rice, you can eat your chicken with ugali. I prefer rice or chapati. I prefer rice or chapati, by the way. Ugali kwa hii recipe kidogo mimi nasemanga kidogo siwezi. So guys, let's introduce our ingredients. These are our ingredients. We have chicken. This is marinated chicken. I have marinated my chicken with salt, black pepper, and chicken masala. That is what I marinated like a good like for 12 hours. That's the more you marinate your chicken, the better it is. Then here we have onions. Then we have our garlic. We have pilipili hoho hapa. Then tukona tomatoes. These are our tomatoes. Then here we have our spices. We have salt. We have tandoori. Tandoori unaweza ipata kwa supermarket. We have paprika. And then we have chicken masala. And we have lemon, okay? And since we are doing chicken in coconut milk, we have coconut milk there. Alafu tuko na soy sauce. This is the light soy sauce. And okay, this is just salt nimeweka tu ya shaker. So first things first, guys. Oh, here we are. Then tuko na, oh sorry, nilikuwa nimewasha. Tuko na pan yetu na iko na mafuta ndani. First things first, guys. Unaona hii part yenye iko na ngozi ya chicken? Iweke. Okay, hivyo. Put in your chicken. Close it. Okay. We wait for our chicken to brown on all sides. Alafu you'll know your chicken is almost ready because hii part yote the blood itaanza kupiga huku juu. I'll show you guys in a few. So we are back to turn our chicken. Kuna blanda imefanyika. Nimeacha ikiwa open nikapata imefunikwa. But it's okay. So make sure you turn. This side is there, okay? Then we wait for the other side to cook nicely, okay? So, watu wangu, look at that chicken. Oneni kwenye ime brown vizuri. So this is the beauty of pan frying your chicken before putting it anywhere else, okay? Wait it to brown nicely. Wait for it to brown nicely. Naenda kuanga half done. Actually almost done. So sasa tukiweka kwa this other mixture. Ndio tutaweka hapo not for long. Mafuta yetu ndio haya. I just transfer. Some of you will eat half of this before it's done.
Yesu!
Yeah. So the reason why we need oil, a little bit of oil, it's because of our onions and tomatoes kukaranga easy. So otherwise our chicken here imebeba mafuta mob sana. Yeah, so here we are. Here we are. Our onions. Nikipika meat, I usually don't cook the onion in a brown. I usually let it be transparent. So when you are still at this, nimesahau tomato paste. Sina for tomato paste. Nimekam nika realize, oh my god, I don't have tomato paste. But this is where our tomato paste could have come in. Right here. It's not that you can't do without tomato paste. You can, but if you have it, the better. At this stage, I'm going to put in my garlic. There you are. So garlic ikianza ku brown, you put in your spices, okay? I usually put in my spices kwa kitunguu so that it can bring out, so that the spices can bring out the flavors, okay? So when it starts to brown, the garlic, not the onion, the garlic browns faster than the onion itself. And yes guys, my nails, you've noticed Fabian nails. So our garlic imeanza ku brown, eh? So this is where I'm going to put in our spices. Guys, remember, I had marinated our chicken with salt. Always remember salt. But in every food you cook, remember salt. If you had marinated your chicken with salt, please make sure you don't put in salt. Make sure you don't put in salt up to the last minute. So this is our tandoori. I'm going to put in tandoori like that. Then I'm going to put in paprika.
Yesu!
I'm going to put in paprika. Then chicken masala like that. Okay. Nimeacha salt because you guys, you don't want salt in your food. You don't want salt to overdo your food. So you cook your spices nicely. Okay. But then when you cook your spices, smell poor, taste poor, everything poor. Yeah. At this point, I'm going to put in our tomatoes. Okay. I wish ungekuwa hapa msikilio smell imetoka after tumeka kitunguu. Smells so nice. Because of the spices, eh? Because of the cooked spices. Then hapa tuweke maji kidogo. Kupika hizi tomatoes zetu like that. Then I'm going to put in our pilipili hoho like so. My old subscribers, you know I hate crunchy hohos. I hate crunchy hohos with a passion. Yeah, so I usually put them here. But I don't get taste yenye nataka, by the way. Yeah, so I'm going to put in there. I add some water, kidogo like that. Then we funike. We wait for our tomatoes zive. Okay? So we'll come back to check on our tomatoes. It's up to you. So guys, zimebondeka. Penda zikuwa zimebondeka. Yeah, alternatively you can blend them. But I don't know why I didn't blend them. That is what I could have done even. At this point, you guys, my guys, our chicken. Inside, all of it. I want my chicken inside, all of it. See? Can you see that from your end, how it looks? So nice. So this is where we are going to add more salt. Okay. This ginger, we're going to add some salt to double salt. Remember, our chicken has salt, eh? So you can't risk. You can't risk. Then we are going to put in all the coconut milk inside. Remember, our chicken is coconut in chicken.
All I can say is fix it, Jesus.
So it's chicken in coconut. Not coconut in chicken. I rarely taste food while cooking, but for this particular recipe I have to because of the salt. So I'm going to add all this salt here. Okay, like that. So nice. Then our lemon. Gives this a very nice taste. Can you see how thick the soup is? No, this is all coconut. And guys, let me tell you. Let's come back after our meat is almost dry. Unaona hii supu tunataka dry kidogo tu, itakuwa juicy but haitakuwa. Get it? Sawa. You guys, here we are to check on our food. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this open kiasi. By now nyama yetu imeiva. By now it's clear our meat is ready. So what I want us to do is wait for this water to dry up. The stew to dry up. We'll be ready to serve our food once we come back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our chicken is actually ready. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll just add in our dhania like so. Unajuanga dhania zinakuwaga za mwisho. Ukipika food, make sure your dhanias are last. Okay, guys, this is a very simple meal to make. Very nice, very simple. Okay, like so. Okay, and we're ready to serve. We're ready. Let's serve.
Never left, but guess I'm back. 16 bars guaranteed I kill. Like I never left, but guess I'm back. 16 bars guaranteed I kill.
Unakula nini? Hii inaitwaje? Ndimu. Ona baba, I want you to taste this food, eh? Mami amekupikia food. Kwa ndio ukule ula?
Sio siku.
Yesu!
Sasa ni 6. Sawa? Ulale. Si lazima ulale usiku kabisa, sawa? Eh? Sasa ni
Sio siku.
Ni 6 ulale ukule ula?
Lale.
Si ushaoga? Ushafanya homework? Sawa, to taste food. Hii food inaitwa chicken, sema chicken in coconut. Chicken in coconut.
Chicken in coconut.
Taste. Sawa. Because every time you come, if your kids usually eat hohos, like you're nice kula. Taste aje?
Poa.
Ni poa? Tena.
Mchele tu.
Iko na nini? Iko na supu. Niambie taste aje leo. Ni mzito. Unajua siku hizi unakula kabisa, unakuwa hivi strong kama PJ Mask. Singa? Ndio. Oh, Mr. Muscle. Sindio? Mr. Muscle. Chicken. Shika. Chato nikutolee before uanze kusema utolewe.
Good.
Sure? Very nice. It's very nice, huh? Utaambia mami aje?
Thank you, mommy.
Umetoka mate? Umetoka mate? Okay, sawa.
Nakula kwa sitting room.
Unakula hiyo kwa sitting room. Ambia watu subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye-bye.
Ni tamu.
Ni tamu.
Sena Muriel.
Sende Maria.
Simplest ingredient.